Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the OnlyFit application on the iPhone that our watch is paired with. So let's open the app. Once you open the app, you probably will see the home page. And once you see it, tap on the device icon to open the device page. On the device page, you should see your SW022 right here, and it should say connected. Now scroll down, find the unbind button and tap on it, then tap on confirm switch, tap on confirm and wait. Watch will disappear from the device page. If I skip this, you will see that on the device page the watch is gone. You can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here find the list of my devices, and on it you should see your SW022. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device to remove it. And once you do, close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.